Yeah, hi guys. Today I'll be sharing with you a very useful tips on how to remove the dust on the fan easily. I believe that most of the houses we do have such fans. Look, this is the fan, this is the protector, and that's the other piece. Okay. So in fact we have tried various ways like using brushes, toothbrush, or even to bring it to a bathroom to blast water on it. In the end, the floor really get real messy. So I was actually introduced by a friend of this white magic sponge. Okay, look, it's just purely white in color, and basically you just not need to wet the sponge, and just clean the fan in this order. And in less than 30 seconds, right, probably you can see a lot of results. You see, the dusters just stick on the sponge. If you turn it the other way, you can see there's actually a lot of dusters here. Just clean it the same way. Gently, you just scrub it in this way. You see? Do you guys see the results? You see, all the dust actually stick onto the sponge itself. It's so great. After using, right, you can just wash the sponge with just normal water and the dust will just go away. So I tried this and I found it very useful. Perhaps you guys can actually try it too. Thanks.